Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be back in Reflections at Seabrook. And guess who I'm with, guys? It's Katie. You know her of ICI Homes, and Katie's going to show us her Santa Cruz model. We're very excited to see it, so thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming out. Come on, let's go look at it. So Carly's going to show us our beautiful front porch that we have down here. I just imagine having a glass of wine with the friends while the kids are running around.
I love the front porch.
Me too. And then as we're coming in, those beautiful grand opening. It's so beautiful. And over to our right, we are going to see our flex space study. If you work from home, here's an office. It's a great touch. And another great thing about this floor plan is we can actually turn this flex space / study into a 5th bedroom, which I think is absolutely incredible. You know, if you have somebody that needs a downstairs bedroom, along with the primary suite, this is a great addition right here.
So this powder room that Carling's showing, this would actually turn into all connecting that full bath that Katie was mentioning. So again, the great thing about the Santa Cruz model that you're listening to is that ICI is offering you different options depending on what life stage you're in and what you need.
Yes, you're right. And as we're coming in, those beautiful grand 12-foot ceilings, and then with the trays, they go up to 13 feet.
Beautiful.
It's just so beautiful, so much natural light, so many windows.
This home feels so large too, Katie, but actually, tell me the square footage of this.
So this one's right around 2,700 square feet, and this actually goes on a 50-foot lot, which it feels very large for a 50-foot lot.
And when we even go outside, that's something we're gonna reiterate, because I want everyone to know you sometimes come to the Welcome Center in Nocatee and you have this vision of this is what I need, but guess what, guys? This 2,700 plus square foot home can have 5 bedrooms. So if you do have that larger family and want to live here in Reflections at Seabrook, this is a great option. You definitely need to come see it. Now we're looking at the beautiful gourmet kitchen.
I love this kitchen. This is such an entertaining kitchen. Having friends over, having all the kids over, it's such a beautiful space, and it feeds beautifully right into the living room as well. So again, great for entertaining, great for having friends over, or just also family time.
A nice large island with the beautiful quartz countertop, giant farm sink, and then Carling has shown also your eating space, which I love. You have the beautiful full-length windows here at the end, but then you have a door to outside from the space, so lots of natural light is coming in this Santa Cruz floor plan. And then Carling, if you don't mind, we'll actually go outside first before showing that primary bedroom, which is on the 1st floor, so terrific. But look at what ICI Homes can offer you. Of course, this backyard is going to be amazing as the camera keeps going around. Carling, we're gonna have to go outside.
It's a great space, especially, over in Seabrook Village Phase 2 on our 50-foot home sites. We have some super deep lots that I can just, picture people's homes just looking absolutely incredible on the outside as well. It's so beautiful.
And look at this. You have a beautiful gourmet kitchen. I mean, everything you're gonna need outside, but then to our left, I mean, wow, is that an electric? That has to be an electric.
Yes.
So your fire pit, but electric, and then you've got this great seating area. But then look here, it goes down, steps to this great eating area, but then you still have grass. So what Katie was just saying, we are in Reflections at Seabrook. This actually is a preserve lot, as you can see, so this preserve will stay behind us, but it's a narrow kind of angled lot, but you still have plenty of green space if you do have a dog to let them out, or just kids to run around. And if you're not in that life stage, wow, for entertaining, I will say having a teenager, this would be the most amazing outdoor backyard. I would never leave my home.
I agree.
And then Katie did mention they have other lots in the other Seabrook collection. So Seabrook Village Phase 2, she mentioned that. So ICI has a lot of options where they can put their floor plans and offer you this just luxury lifestyle.
Yes, you're right. And as we're coming back inside, again, the open railing stairs are, such a beautiful addition to the floor plan.
And the colors too, that coastal.
I love it.
A lot of coastal colors.
It makes it bright and lively in here.
So now the primary
yes,
bedroom.
Very, very, very large primary bedroom, which, you know, a lot of people have loved about this floor plan. Again, 12-foot ceilings in here, and then 13 feet with the tray ceiling. It does have a bump out in here, which, you know, a little sitting room, which I think is super cute.
Okay, everyone, I definitely, if you get the Santa Cruz, you need to get the bump out, because I do love this. And then you could sit there. Also a place, I'll just be honest, I could put my shoes on,
exactly.
lay out my outfit for the next
exactly.
day. I could see it dramatically laid out.
So beautifully.
But this is terrific.
Yes, and then the primary bathroom, again, 12-foot ceilings. It's so beautiful.
Beautiful double doors we just saw.
Yes.
Carling
yes.
will show that again when she comes in. But just, I love these beautiful double doors that greet you. You can open them up, and you've really got this spa-like bathroom.
You do.
Look at the vanity, really big, by the way.
Very large vanity and very large shower as well. You know, things that people love.
And then I even notice you have, you know, the drain over there, so a large drain so the water can go out.
Yes. A lot of natural sunlight in here with the windows. Again,
yes.
you know, sunlight is what everyone loves. Makes it bright.
And then we go into the, I can see now, custom closet. I love that you guys did this. You're showing the buyers, here are some options. This is a layout, something you can do.
Exactly.
And again, that's what ICI will provide for you. They really are a luxury home builder, and they're just gonna show you, hey, these are options. They can get you in touch with people. You know, just look at your clothes, look at what you have, but then look at this. You've got the laundry room right off the primary bedroom.
Exactly. It's an awesome addition as well. A lot of people are loving this. You know, you can wash your clothes right outside of your closet.
And this design, Katie, this is also an option. You can lay this out a different way.
Correct. Yes, you are right. So at our design center, you're able to pick out how you would like your laundry room laid out. If you want cabinetry, if you would like, you know, double stacked washer and dryer. So that's always an option.
Okay, we had to open this because under the stairs, thank you ICI for doing a terrific large under the stairs storage. This is also what I'm gonna call a playroom. If I can see, if I had little kids, they would have their stuff in here. I mean,
they
seriously.
would. And a lot of people also say like a dog, you know, kind of like a dog little room.
Actually,
you can put your dog
yes,
in there.
I have seen that. They've put the dog bed in there, and this is a place, and you can also make this door, you know, like a vent holes, etc. But absolutely, what a great, great extra, basically, room.
Yes.
So we've come up the stairs. We're now in one of the 3 secondary bedrooms, and this one, loving it, Katie.
I love it with the shower in it, and you know, the ensuite, and then you know, also the 2 other bedrooms as well. Very spacious up here.
And then as Carling comes out to, you know, on one side she's got storage, so there is still plenty of storage. That's what some of these closed doors are. And then as Carling comes out, she's gonna show another full bath. So we've already seen a bedroom with a full bath, and then this is a secondary full bath that can be used by both of those secondary bedrooms. And then look at this space.
This game room up here is, again, you know, super spacious, has that tray ceiling, which just, you know, elevates the room as well. Again, a lot of natural sunlight, which, you know, we love, So
great loft space, whether it's gonna be a TV room, a playroom, it could actually be a study area, you know, homework space, depending on that life stage. Loving this. They put it as a beautiful sitting area with their television. But Carling, can we go outside? Because this is something I noticed when I saw the Santa Cruz. I love the balcony.
Yes, this balcony is...
So if it's raining even, it's got a hard roof, beautiful design in the ceiling, but lots of space. And as Carling's panning around, I mean, look at that. It kind of bumps in, so you could even put store things there. And you know, Katie mentioned downstairs having a glass of wine. You could put a little bar right there.
Exactly.
But your morning coffee.
Yes.
I love, though, the hard ceiling. So this Santa Cruz floor plan, ICI, you knocked it out of the park once again. Thanks for watching.
Bye.